all, welcome back to Pably. And creating automations usually means selecting the app, choosing the trigger, setting the actions, mapping the data, and testing the workflows. And for beginners, this can sometimes feel a little complicated. But what if you could just simply describe your automation you want and AI builds that automation for you? Well, that's exactly what the new AI workflow feature in Pably Connect does. You can just type away your automations and the AI helps you to create the workflows instantly. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a workflow using AI step by step. Before we learn what is AI Workflow Builder, I'll just let you know how you can reach on the dashboard of Pably Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pably Connect and open your dashboard. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pably.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pably Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pably Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free using AI, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pably Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pably Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you and it is attached right over here. You can check it out, which is RITYT. Okay, so let's learn what is AI Workflow Builder. So Pably Connect has introduced a new workflow feature which is create using AI. Instead of manually creating the workflow, selecting the trigger and action, you can simply use this. Okay, so for that you have to go on this create workflow button and select this create using AI. And what you can do is you can simply type when I receive a new Shopify order, send a message on Slack, and the AI will automatically select the workflow structure for you. This makes automation much faster, easier for beginners. So let's see what this AI workflows can do for you. So the first thing is creating the workflows. So you can create workflows simply just by describing your automation. For example, you can type something like when a new lead is added in Google Sheets, send an email notification. The AI will understand your request and help you to set up your workflow. The second is you can connect apps or explore different apps together. If you're not sure which app you want to use, you can simply ask this AI to connect them for your automation. Like, what apps are available for email automation? What CRM apps do you support? What e-commerce apps are available? What project management apps do you have? So once you select this, it is going to give you the answer for the same. So I selected what apps are available for email automation and it showed me all the popular email apps available in Pably Connect. Okay, so let's just refresh this chart once again and see the third section, which is get triggers. With this, you can check triggers for any application. So like you can ask what triggers do you have for Gmail, and it is going to give all the triggers which it has for Gmail. It is saying Gmail has one trigger, new email. Would you like to create a workflow using any one of these? So as you can see, Gmail has only a single, but let's say we're just going to try with some another application which is Shopify. So it is going to list all the app trigger events. Okay, now let's just start fresh and move on towards the fourth feature, which is get actions. So like get triggers, the same as get actions. You can see, like let's say we're going to check what actions can I do with Slack, and it is going to list all the actions you can do with Slack. And further, if you want to create a workflow using any one of this, you can ask it to create and it is going to create it for you. Like this, you can understand what tasks can be automated using the particular application. So let's take a simple example. So I am going to type over here when a new order is received on Shopify. So let's just type when a new order is received on Shopify, a message is sent on Slack, and we're going to send this over here. So let's just correct the formatting. It is not necessary. If you want to do this, you can do it. Otherwise, you can write simply, when a new order is received on Shopify, a message is sent on Slack. Now you can see it is replying me, which version of Shopify would you like to use? So let's select Shopify V2 over here. Now it is saying which Shopify V2 trigger should start this workflow. So as you can see, we have multiple events over here and it is recommending this new order. So let's just select these same. Now it is saying which Slack action would you like to send the messages with. So this is recommended. Let's just select the same, which is send channel message, and it is saying ready to create this workflow. And you're going to see at 4:19 p.m. it has created me the workflow, and I entered the description at 4:18. Within a minute the workflow is created. Now once I'm going to click on this approve and create and then open workflow, directly this workflow is going to open, which is connecting Shopify V2 to Slack. Now further what I have to do is I just have to connect my applications over here and automatically this workflow is ready to run. So instead of manually setting everything up, you can simply type this instruction into the AI assistant and then AI will suggest you the required trigger and action of this workflow. From there, you can quickly review these steps and complete the setup. Why is this feature useful? Because this feature is helpful for people who are new to automation. So instead of searching for triggers and actions manually, the AI can help you and build the workflow much faster. It also helps you discover automations, possibilities that you might have never thought about. So that's how you can create workflows using AI in Pabbly Connect. You can simply describe the automation you want and the AI helps you to generate the workflow structure. This makes building automations much easier and faster. So go and try this AI workflow builder yourself, and if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more automation tips like these, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.